guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you this hair that I got from Amazon Prime. It's by the company called JAJA hair. So I got their 12-inch bob and I got it for just $50 and I got it in 2 days, and I'm just going to be unboxing the hair and kind of just showing you guys how it looks right out the box. So this wig also comes with a nude wig cap, which I find really beneficial. It's just great because I don't have to go out and buy another one. So the wig did come with a band sewn into it, which is awesome for me because I don't have to buy another one and sew it in myself. And I'm also showing you the lace. However, you can't really see it that well in this video, but I did have to go in and bleach the knots myself. However, the wig did come pre-plucked, so you don't have to pluck the lace or pluck the wig yourself. The wig also comes with, I believe, 3 attachment combs. I don't really care for those. I don't use them. I just rely on the band. So, yeah. The other bonus is that it comes with like this thing where you can get a full refund if you leave a review on Amazon and like pictures. You can also get a free wig. I think, yeah, it's actually either a full refund or a new free wig, which is pretty awesome. So I'll probably do that. Hey guys, so as you can see, this hair looks absolutely amazing. It looks super natural. Let me turn around so you guys can see it. Yeah, so like I said earlier, I got this hair in a 12-inch. And I'm so loving this hair because the lace is so natural. Like, look at here. Like, I didn't even lay it down with anything. Like, I literally just put the wig on and that's it. And this is, I'm gonna lift it up so you guys can see. So literally, this is the lace. You know, I got my cap on underneath and voila. Literally, you can see that. That's how the lace looks. I'll show you guys the sides. I didn't lay it down on the sides because I don't plan on like wearing it in a style where I have to lift the sides up. Just keep it down because I don't like, honestly, I personally don't like having to glue my lace down. I feel like it's just too much work. I feel like for everyday wear, I just want to be able to, you know, snap my wig on and go. You know what I mean? I mean, that's the purpose of wigs for me. The purpose of wigs for me is to literally just throw it on, go, and just go about my day. Like, I don't want to have to wake up and start worrying about like fixing my wig or fixing my hair most of the time. I mean, I opt for wigs because I'm tired of taking care of my own hair. Now, I'm not trying to take care of my wig too. You get what I'm saying? So here's the other side. Yeah, so if you wanted to lay this part down, you could, right? And also, I didn't have to pluck the lace at all. The lace came pre-plucked, as I mentioned earlier, if I mentioned that earlier. But I did, however, have to bleach the knots on this lace, which honestly is not a big deal. I literally just got like 40 volume developer and the bleaching pack by Prism Lights, and I mixed it together and applied it on there, let it sit, I think, on the hair, not on the hair, sorry, on the lace for about 30 to 40 minutes, something like that. And then I washed it out and voila, like no black dots. Or there were like very few black dots, but not really noticeable. So yeah, I got this wig for like $50 on Amazon, and it's just crazy how cheap it was. And the lace is really good because I have a wig from AF Sister Wig. Yeah, AF Sister Wig, which cost me over $200. but I can't lay the lace like this. Or maybe it's just because the band in there isn't like sewed onto the wig and it's not really tight, so I can't really lay the lace down without having to glue it down. Maybe I would have to figure that out, but I really just love how I got this wig and I was able to just put it on. I mean, of course I wash it. Like I said, first I had to bleach the knots and wash it, but even if I didn't have to bleach the knots, I would still wash it because I like to wash my wigs before I put them on. And that's it. Like, put it on and we're good to go. This is my kind of wig. Okay, this is my kind of wig. I will put a link to the hair in the description box below if you want to check it out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.